What the 429 offers you is somewhat of a time machine to get you time you wouldn't have. It's fast, it's comfortable in the back, it feels sturdy, and it's a great transition to a twin engine aircraft. The 429 is, one of the newest light twins on the market. It was designed by the customer, so it's very easy to put people in it, and they're gonna like it. The 429 brings you into a light aircraft, but with a large cabin. You'll get that more headroom, more legroom, more power, more baggage space. It's just a substantially bigger aircraft inside. So that's the biggest advantage of the 429. And then with a lot of the things we've done on the maintenance side, it really isn't a doubling in cost because it has a second engine. It's really just a little bit more. But in general, you're gonna get that much more comfortable feeling in the cabin. The 429 really supplements a fixed wing fleet. So, there's a lot of times you can't get close to where you want to go, or you got to sit in a car for 30, 45 minutes, whereas you could just take the aircraft from the airplane and go direct. So if you're landing at your house or you're landing at a place where you don't want a huge footprint or you don't have the ability to land a big aircraft there, the 429 is a perfect fit for that. We do see a lot of fixed wing pilots transitioning into a 429 fairly easily, just because they're used to a lot of those glass cockpit avionics and IFR capabilities. So once they have that comfort level of flying into the clouds under their belt, this is a pretty easy transition for them.